Today class we're going to be solving this quiz. So you notice whichever one you select will come down to the details view. And you also notice that they each have their own categories, so we're going to want to separate these by categories. So when we calculate, notice how they're separated by different categories. So we'll do a for each and we'll separate them within the for each. So go ahead and get started. So first you gotta, in order for whichever item you select, for it to appear in the details view, you go to here, you go to your select, you'll add this, the where ID equals IDE, and then you'll add this parameter where ID equals the grid view, selected value, which you just go into here and then grid view. So next I went ahead and declared some variables that we're going to use. These will be for to count how many items there were, and these will be for the totals within each one. So we'll go ahead and set the for each. So that's our grid view and rows. So within here we're going to do if statements to check whether the category was hardware, which is the first category. That's in cell 2. We're also going to check if it's lowercase 2. So if that is true, we're going to go ahead and do the int counter. So this will count how many items. This will keep track of the total of hardware. We're going to do that for the different categories we have. And notice you can keep these lines all the same besides the variable. And we'll need else to put whatever is remaining. I will get the total. So we'll go ahead and get the total there. Now we can start our label. So I'm just switching these. Now we need the final one. Go ahead and plus equals here. And this will be the total line. So our last step is just to data bind the fields. So when we go into here, we can go into the events, and we need to do the inserted, updated, and deleted. So I'll just do one since I've already made the methods. So this just data binds the field whenever an item is inserted, updated, or deleted. So go ahead and run the page. So I put the same items in the cart. And you notice we have the same thing. All we need to do is add a space in between the number, the int, and then the hardware. So right here. And that'll complete our site. Thank you for tuning in.